Once you've finished creating all your parts, you need to assemble them. First, create a new project on Autodesk Inventor, select standard millimeters, and then Create. Make sure you're on the Assemble tab on your toolbar. You need to begin your assembly by placing a part onto the screen, so click on the Place icon on your toolbar. When the Place Component dialog box opens up, select the folder for your back wing first and open it. When your back wing drawing appears, right-click on the shape and click OK. Now open up the folder for the car body and do the same thing. Right-click on the shape and click OK. Then repeat the procedure with the drawing for your nose cone. Once the three main body components are in place, open the drawing for the wheel. But before you click OK, make sure to place it 4 times, as obviously there are 4 wheels on the car. Once you've done that, click OK, and then you can begin the process of putting the pieces together. First of all, you need to position the wheels so that you can see the axle hole in the back of each of them. To do this, right-click on a wheel and choose Free Rotate from the menu that appears. This will allow you to use your cursor to move the wheel into any position you want, so turn it so that you can see the axle hole. Do the same with the second wheel. Then click on your Constraint tool, and in the Tools dialog box choose Insert. That's the 4th icon from the left in the type row. Next, highlight an axle hole in the car body like this. Highlight the axle hole in a wheel, click Apply, and the wheel will move into place. Sometimes when you do this, the car will change its orientation, but you can just move it around to place it in any position you want in order to see the holes and place the wheels where you need them. Repeat the procedure you've just used for the next 3 wheels. Click Insert, click on each axle hole, and then click Apply to make sure each wheel goes into place. If you need to turn a wheel over again to see the axle hole because it's gone out of position, use Free Rotate by right-clicking on the wheel and turning the wheel over with your cursor. Then use the Constraint tool to attach the wheel to the car. When you've clicked Apply for the last wheel, leave the tool open so you can use it to attach the next part of the car. We're now going to attach the back wing. Click on the inside edge of the arch on the wing where you want it to sit against the edge of the cutaway. Then click on the inside edge of the cutaway on the car. The wing will drop into place. Click Apply. You'll see, however, that it's out of position. To adjust it, zoom in on your drawing a little and choose the Mate icon on the far left of the type row in your Constraint tool dialog box. Next, click on the inside edge of the arch on the back wing, and then on the edge of the cutaway on the car housing where you want the 2 edges to join. The wing arch will instantly move around into its correct position. Finally, you need to attach the nose cone to your car. Position the car so that you can see the front. Then select the Constraint tool on your toolbar again. Click on the Insert icon in your dialog box. Now highlight the base but not the circular end of one of the pins on your nose cone. Then do the same to the inside edge of the corresponding hole for that pin on the front of the car. Then click Apply. The cone will attach itself to the car. As with the back wing, however, the nose cone will not go precisely into place and you'll have to align it correctly. You may need to rotate the car so that you can see the outside edge of the cone so you can click on it in the right place. Use the Mate icon in the Constraint dialog box once again and click on the nose cone edge and on the edge of the front of the car you want to align it with. Press Apply and the cone should be perfectly positioned on the front of your F1 car. Now see what the car you've designed will look like when it's been built.